Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. In today's video, I am going to show you a trick from which you can buy Opstra for like literally free, and in one you will at least get 25, 26, 27% discount. So stay tuned and understand all the details. And if you have any question, please comment. I will be happy to help you. So basically what you have to do, you have to sign up. I have given the link in the description. Okay, you have to find that link. You have to sign up for Demat with Definedege Security. Definedege Security is the company which owns its sister concern own Opstra services. Okay, so what is the offer? Like, you will have to sign up, and once you sign up for that Demat, you will have to pay account opening charges of 180 rupees. That is also refundable. You will get 180 rupees of brokerage credit in your new account which will be there. You will get 180 points that can be set off against your brokerage. Okay, now let's understand. There are two options. Like, if you want to just get the discount of Opstra and not trade in their Demat account, and another is like you want to trade in that account also. What are the details? So currently Opstra charges, if you sign up for 1 year, are 11,000, right? But if you sign up through my link and then go, then the charges would be 8,000. So you will save 3,000 rupees, which is almost 27%. And if you want to trade with whatever company, Zerodha, Trade Genie, Angel, IFFL, you can trade wherever you want. You are trading, then it's okay. You want to trade there, still you will be saving 3,000 rupees. Okay, and the AMC charges at Opstra are Definedege. We won't call it Opstra. Definedege are also 300 rupees per annum, which are standard in Zerodha and like most of the brokers. Okay, and if you go for 1 month, then also you will be saving 500 rupees. Like, generally it is available for 1300, and with this sign up, you will get this for 800 a month. So you it will be beneficial for the people who want to subscribe it for 1 month. Also it will be beneficial for them also. Okay, and also the person who want to shift their broker and they wish to trade in the Definedege, what benefit they will get? The brokerage is 18 rupees. Generally it's 20 rupees. So 10% you will save here also, and it's per lot. So 18 rupees per lot is the brokerage. Also, what will happen, say like you have purchased Opstra for 1 year, so you will pay 8,000 rupees. So full 8,000 credit you will get in brokerage account. So for 1 year, say your total brokerage is 10,000, then first this 8,000 will be deducted, and then 2,000 rupees only will be charged. So net zero. You will buy Opstra at net zero. And let's say you did a you were charged a brokerage of say 7,000 rupees, then no brokerage would be there. Like, you will have an additional credit of 1,000 rupees. And in case if you are going for monthly, that credit would be available for 1 month. Say in this month you trade and the brokerage was around 1,200 rupees and 800 credit because you have purchased this Opstra, and rest on 400 only you will pay the brokerage. So that is very good. You are getting this credit. Also, there is no brokerage on delivery. There is brokerage when you are trading for intraday. You are trading in cash, FO, and the support system is also very good. And see, this option is good for both the people who want to shift their broker, and if you don't want to shift also, then still you are getting 27%. Let's say you are not utilizing this amount also, 180 rupees and 300. So maximum 500 rupees will go. Still you are getting 2,500 rupees discount, which is huge, which is almost greater than 20%. So those who want to go ahead can just sign up through my link. If you have any question, please feel free to DM me on Instagram or comment under this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.